Shares of Pepsi popping after an earnings beat. The beverage giant also raising its full-year outlook. Contrary to Walmart's commentary on a dip in snack sales, Pepsi's CFO saying they are not seeing any impact yet from the popularity of weight loss drugs. That was a big sigh of relief for these staples names. Steve?
Well, I think that you're not going to see it right off the bat, right? And what have they been seeing? People are trying to get healthier, eating less sugar, less salt, so they want smaller portions. Smaller portions, I immediately go to a higher margin. So I think this is actually a tailwind for them, but I'm not sure how long the diet drugs are going to take to have an impact on their business, because it will be coming.
They're raising their prices again. They raised their forecast 3 times. I mean, that is really good news. When we thought that the consumer was going to be pushing back, how much, as we said this before, time and time again, how much are you going to pay for a bag of Doritos?
Well, maybe 0, but I get that people like it. But no, I think what they do is, Pepsi has said, well, our costs have gone up, so we're passing along, you're increasing our prices. Their costs, the raw material costs, are not the entire cost of making them. So if they have 5% increased cost and put on a 5% higher ticket price, that's a bigger margin. And so I don't know how long until the consumer finally says, I got to switch to a generic kind of, whoever, a store brand or Kroger's brand, I don't know. I mean, good for them. I'm sort of surprised they weren't seeing the same thing. Walmart is Pepsi's biggest customer. I'm surprised they had 2 different takes on it. But it's not crazy expensive here, but I'm not inclined to jump in right now.
It seems like a lot of these retailers in particular, from the shrinkage to the, GLP-1s, they're throwing everything at this thing. You know what I mean? Like, whatever the weakness is, again, like literally the excuses are piling up a little bit. And when you tell me that the makers of these sorts of foods are not seeing the thing that the seller of these sorts of foods, and I don't even think a Walmart customer is in the market right now for, these sorts of drugs. Anyway, so I think we're really early on all this, and what it brings me back to is that there is something going on with the consumer, and it's being evident. Look at the travel stocks, look all over the place. I mean, there's stuff, there's evidence if you want to see it, and so we can say, I guess because they have jobs and because wage growth is healthy, but there does seem to be a pullback.
How come we haven't seen the clothing stocks go up? If there's weight loss, people are buying new clothes. So how come the same thing is not, we're going to be eating a lot less calories, right? Morgan Stanley put out a piece that there's going to be 9% of the population is going to be on the weight loss drugs. We're going to be having it by 2030. How come we haven't seen, so everyone expects the food industry to get hit. How come we haven't seen the clothing industry about everyone buying new clothes?
I'll tell you why. Because they're discounting pretty heavily right now. And look at where all these department stores are. They're all at 52-week lows. So if they're discounting heavily, that's weighing on their margins, which is why their stocks are going down.
Now someone should be buying their clothes, right? That's a trough, right? So somebody should be buying it, right? All I'm saying is the pendulum swings both sides. Right, so if you're going to be eating less food, then you got to be buying more jeans. Right?
I still have the jeans from high school, and I know I'm not even kidding around.
And they still fit. You just wear them a lot lower.
They still fit.
It's really TMI.
162. I mean, we talked about this last night with Tim. That was a low in June of 22. We held it. It gives you something to trade again for Pepsi, against at least.